Engaging with potential customers and allowing them to make a booking request can greatly increase your sales. In this quick tutorial video, you will learn how to create a custom booking request form in minutes. First, you need a form builder application like Forms app here. Then, go to Templates and choose a relevant booking form template for your business. Once you open and import one template, you can start editing its contents to make it your own. To learn when they are available or when they want to see you, you can add a short text or use a date field. Make sure to include a notes section to help them explain themselves better before the meeting. Once you're finished, you can change the form design and adjust its settings. And it's done! Now you can share your form on social media or embed it directly on your website. Open the free booking form templates by clicking the link in the description below and create your own form to gather booking requests. To take your form to the next level, make sure to check our Google Calendar integration and make the booking process more automated.